Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the TV is on, the remote works, and you know the model. This speeds troubleshooting later. Use the remote to open settings or menu now and navigate to System or General. Different brands label it differently. Once in, look for voice control, hands-free, or accessibility entries. Those are where speech features live. Make sure you stay on the settings screen while I walk you through exact toggle locations, because options often appear a level deeper. Now, open the voice control or assistant settings page and scan for toggles labeled voice wake, voice recognition, or assistant activation. These enable listening. You should tap each toggle to switch it off and read any confirmation prompts. Some systems require you to disable permissions in companion apps too. Once toggled off, check for Disable or Forget Voice Data option and accept it if present, because that removes stored voice profiles. Make sure to observe whether the TV requests a restart to apply changes. Finish by restarting the TV so settings fully apply, then test by speaking to the remote or using the wake phrase. Nothing should respond. If voice features persist, go back to Privacy or Voice Data and clear saved voice profiles, then recheck permissions for connected apps. If that fails, update the TV firmware. Lingering bugs can keep features enabled. As a last resort, perform a factory reset, only after backing up settings, because that definitely clears stubborn voice activation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.